Assalamualaikum ji. This is Maya Khan. Kuch log jante hain. But thank you very much for having me here today. I don't think after coming here I would have wanted to be somewhere else. And now I say I wouldn't miss any workshop for anything. बड़ा मोहब्बत से बुलाया माम ने, हमेशा बुलाया. और मैंने आज आने के बाद एक चीज़ देखी. मुझे जो भी जुमला था उस जुमले में एक चीज़ मेरे दिल में जाकर लग रही थी, और वो था दिस इज़ फॉर पाकिस्तान, दिस इज़ पाकिस्तान, दिस इज़ फॉर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, दिस इज़ फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ पाकिस्तान. और वो एक लफ्ज़ जो है पाकिस्तान, उसने मुझे रोक लिया. एंड आई वाज सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर. आई रिक्वेस्टेड मॉम if I could sit on the floor, and I did, because I wanted to not only listen, not only hear, but actually wanted to absorb, take everything that I could. And my key take notes are, did anything for Pakistan, because the technology that I just heard about inside, agar boss ye hai na, and different countries are operating on the technology that is called mind mapping, then I guess if it is here in Pakistan, I'm not letting it go, because वो एक झंडा है जिससे मुझे इश्क है, वो एक झंडा है जिसको ऊपर लहराना है, और anything for my country. And trust me, if you see my eyes, they are operating on very high frequency right now. So trust me, anything for my country, and this thing is going to change the map and the face of Pakistan. Thank you.